We are happy to announce the launch of our brand new 125cc bike, TVS Flame. This is being powered by internal combustion 2-stroke 3-valve engine. We have got groundless threats from Bajaj to stop us from making this brand new product.
Don't worry, sir. That's why we're here. We'll file a suit under Section 105. In the Madras High Court stating that the claim criminal Bajaj are bogus and asked the help of the court to intervene and stop Bajaj from interfering with the sales of flame.
Good. That's not enough though.
What do you have in mind, sir?
We need to show them who we are. We need to revoke their pattern. The pattern they are using for these claims.
Wow, that's sneaky. It's what we were expecting though. To put it in an easy way, Bajaj and TVS are the Indian version of the space race between the US and Russia. The Russians sent Yuri to space and the US sent Neil on the moon. But these guys are doing something way more important. They are sending the average man to work. Sure, sir. My team will work on this and file a case against Bajaj's patent.
As you all are aware, TVS has filed 2 cases against us. What have you all planned?
So we are going to file a permanent injunction under Section 108 of the Act in the Madras High Court. Simply put, we are going to file a case which won't allow them to use the engine which is patented by us, which means they won't be able to sell their new flame. Honorable Judge, we would like to appeal for an injunction in the production of the defendant's product, TVS Flame, as it is an infringement to the patent my client possesses on the detail side technology. To better understand the position in which Bajaj is, go back to time when you were in school. You are a hard worker and you have prepared well for an exam. The paper turns out to be more difficult than expected. But you don't worry. You have been doing well in the exam, but the guy behind you gets worried. He cheats by looking into your paper and adds a little bit of his own brain. How would you feel when you find out he's a topper by a mark? That's exactly how Bajaj feels right now. The guy who was sitting behind us was TVS. Your Honor, Bajaj filed a case to revoke our patent a few weeks before the release of TVS Flame, just as a distraction to our case against them for the infringement. We all know Bajaj's patent has a significant improvement to existing knowledge. It is pretty evident that they are buying time to get away from the injunction. I hope the court sees the case facts and give a judgment towards what is fair and right, and help a hard worker to continue achieving his dream. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you win a court case.
Don't worry, sir. That's why we are here. What plan do you have now?
So, to be fair, it was the idea of revoking our patent that caused the problem. What we are gonna do is appeal before the decision bench of the Madras High Court with respect to the production and the injunction. Any good lawyer, would have known that the case against Bajaj to revoke their patent was not going to stand. Why didn't I say anything? There's no arguing with greed, I guess. Also, there's always a plan. Now, while Bajaj think that they have got the upper hand, we are going to hit them and stop this injunction. Your Honor, we would like to rebut Bajaj's prima facie by firstly saying Bajaj is prima donna, trying to get prima facie.
Wow. You worked on that all night?
Secondly, the case for injunction and patent infringement make no sense, Your Honor. The patent they have is for a twin spark technology with 2 valves. The TVS Flame and the other new products run a twin spark engine with 3 valves, which changes everything. It's a significant improvement on the 2 valves. To be a good lawyer, you need to think 2, maybe 3 steps ahead. It's like a chess game. If you think you have won the game before actually winning, you might get distracted and not notice what your opponent is doing. That's what happened here. What Bajaj lawyers should have been thinking is why didn't the law team of TVS not convince TVS not to go forward with a patent revoking case? This is why they should have thought of that. Your Honor, shouldn't a significant improvement be enough not to be part of an existing patent? That was literally what they claimed when my client filed a case to revoke their patent, Your Honor. This is how you win a battle.
The court agrees with the order of the division bench. Although TVS shall be entitled to sell flames, it shall maintain an accurate record of all its domestic and international sales. The court has also decided to direct the Madras High Court to appoint a receiver in this connection.